Introduced last April, OPPO introduced its newest cell phone from Series A, namely the OPPO A96. This cell phone comes with several increases in terms of specifications. For those of you who are curious about this cell phone, in this video, price updates, we'll discuss about the latest specifications and prices for the OPPO A96 in January 2023. On the front, OPPO packs this phone with a widescreen design. This phone comes with a FHD plus IPS LCD type screen, with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a maximum brightness level of 600 nits. For screen size, this phone has a screen size of 6.59 inches, with a resolution of 1080 x 2412 pixels. In terms of camera, this smartphone relies on two cameras located on the back of the phone. Two of these cameras each have a configuration: 50 megapixels for the main camera, and 2 megapixels for the depth sensor camera. For recording results, this smartphone is capable record video up to 1080p quality at 30 fps. Switching to the front camera, there is a punch-hole-shaped camera at the top of the cell phone screen, which contains a 16-megapixel resolution camera for your selfie photo needs. For recording results, the front camera of this cell phone is capable of recording video up to 1080p quality at 30 fps. On the software side, OPPO equips this smartphone using the Android 11 operating system and the coloros 11.1 interface. On the hardware side, this phone uses a chipset that is fairly good, namely the Qualcomm SM6225 chipset Snapdragon 684G, 6nm, which will be combined by CPU octa-core 4x2.4 GHz Cryo 265 Gold and 4x1.9 GHz Cryo 265 Silver, and combined with GPU Adreno 610. This smartphone will be combined with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage memory. OPPO has also embedded a RAM expansion feature of 5pbg. If it is still lacking, users can expand storage memory using the micro SD card slot. Meanwhile, to support the performance of this cell phone, embedded in a non-removable 5000 mAh battery, as well as 33W Super VOOC charging. Other features brought by this phone include a fingerprint sensor located on the side or side-mounted fingerprint, Bluetooth 5.0, 4G connectivity, 3.5mm audio jack, dual microphones, USB Type Circuit 2.0, dual speakers, Wi-Fi 800 2.118 per gram, NAC. On the body, the OPPO A96 is equipped with IPX4 and IP5X certification, which means that this phone can withstand splashes of water and dust. For the latest price for the OPPO A96 in January 2023, quoted from the official website, for the 8GB RAM variant and 256GB storage memory, the price is 4,299,000 Indonesian rupiahs, or $277.10. Thank you for watching this video until it's finished. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, and also pressing the bell button so you don't miss the latest videos from this channel. Thank you.